Hey, Fire Guy here. Today I want to show you guys a quick little tip on how to access diagnostic mode here so you can test individual components. I apologize about my voice. As you can hear, I'm a little under the weather. So let me show you what you got to do. Now this is already preheated, but once you turn it on, it says preheat or clean. You're going to want to push the up or down arrow here and edit at the same time. You get the diagnostic mode. So I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Alright, so preheat or clean. So now, again, push these two buttons and this button at the same time. So let me show you that. First thing I'll pop up is your drive motor off. Now to turn it on or off, enter to turn it on, and the motor will run. And hit stop to turn it off. To scroll through, the up or down arrow, scroll through the different components. So, with that, that's how you go ahead and get into diagnostic mode. So a little quick tech tip there for your Inferno 4500s here. So with that, guys, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, got any comments or suggestions, leave them down below. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button. With that, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.